Key concept 4, factoring trinomials using the product sum method. When you're dealing with a trinomial, what you'll want to do is keep track of what your A, B, and C value are. Your A value will be in front of the x squared. Your B value in this case is -7, and your C value is -20. So what you want to do when you factor a trinomial is multiply your A value times your C value. That gives you -60. So the trick is, what you do right away is try to think of two numbers that multiply to this -60, and at the same time they add up to -7. A lot of times you'll see this written as a kind of a x problem. There's no special thing about it, but we're trying to find things that multiply to -60 and add up to -7. So you brainstorm, you think, you plug things in your calculator, and I'll save you a little time. The numbers you should get are 12 and 5, but you do have to consider which one might be negative. In this case, I need the 12 to be negative in order for these two numbers to add up to -7. The whole reason we do that is to rewrite the whole problem, but making one small change. 3x squared is staying the same. I'm going to completely throw out the b term, but I'm going to write in my two new numbers that I like. I liked -12. I'm going to include an x on it. I liked +5, so I write +5, put an x on it, and then -20. Well, why'd you do that? Now I have 4 terms, and I can go back to a method I already know, the grouping method. So what I would do is, you try it on your own, hit pause, and then play it and see if you get the same thing that I do. Group the left side and the right side. GCF over here is 3x. The leftovers would just be an x minus 4. On the right side, my GCF is a +5. My leftovers, good, it's matching, x minus 4. As a final answer, I'm going to put my common parenthesis down, x minus 4, and the leftovers, 3x plus 5. This is my answer. Could always check with the distributive property. Wash hands after every problem.